As the New Year's sun rose, a small garden filled with butterflies came alive. Nura, the bright butterfly, fluttered first and smiled. "Allah has given us a new year," she said softly. "Last year had strong winds and dark clouds, but Allah protected them all." Sabr, the blue butterfly, remembered how patience kept his wings strong. Shukr, the green butterfly, thanked Allah for every flower that still bloomed. A gentle breeze passed through the garden, bringing peace. The butterflies flew together, touching fresh petals and shining leaves. Nura whispered, "Every breath is a blessing from Allah." Shukr replied, "A new year means new chances to be grateful." Sabr added, "And to trust Allah's plan." As sunlight filled the sky, the butterflies danced in joy. With hearts full of faith and wings full of hope, they welcomed the new year, thankful to Allah for life, guidance, and a beautiful new beginning.